BSP, that is, as we are discussing, the main base for the BSP were the leaders like Sahu Maharaj, Jyotiba Phule, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Periyar Ramaswamy Naikar. These were the one who made the base for the formation of BSP, and later on, as I discussed, Kansiram, he formed the BSP, followed by Mayawati, who continues right now. Now we move to the next national party, that is AICT. The full form of AICT is All India Trinamool Congress. It was formed in the year 1998 on 1st January under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. It became the national party in the year 2016. That is the latest national party of our country. Otherwise, previously we had only 6 national party. This is the 7th national party of our country. The political symbol of this party is flower and grass. So here you can see the flowers and on the base you can see the grass. So this is the political symbol of AITC. Talking about the aims or the ideology on which AITC is formed is secularism and federalism. Secularism, as we know, all the religions are treated equally. We have right to profess any religion, work in any place, stay at anywhere. What we have learned, how India is a secular state. Then talking about federalism, in chapter 2 we have learned about federalism, that is division of government at different levels, that is 2 or more than that. On that ideology it is based. Since 2019 it is in power in West Bengal, and the nearby states, especially the eastern states, are the place where West Bengal, where AITC is dominating. Talking about 2019 elections of Lok Sabha, AITC won 22 seats. The third national party is Bahujan Samaj Party. In short, we can say BSP. It is believed it is youngest among the national party. It was formed in the year 1984 under the leadership of Kanshi Ram. Later on, under the guidance of Kansiram, Mayawati, whom we popularly known as Dalit's daughter, took the leadership of BSP, and still she is the president of BSP. The political symbol of this party, that is of BSP, is elephant. The aims of this party is the interest and the welfare of the Dalits, minorities, whom we call it as SC, STs, and even the OBCs, that is socially backward classes. The state where this party is comparatively dominating or is having the main role to play is Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Delhi, and even in Chhattisgarh. These are the areas where normally the party is dominating. When we talk about the result, so in 2014 election, BSP couldn't even open its account. That is, did not win any Lok Sabha seat. talking about 2019 election, it could hardly win 10 seats in Lok Sabha election.